What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadesha and today we are back with another hair tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right along to the video. So in today's video I will be working with Ashimary hair, and this is their packaging. They gave us a lot of goodies today, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I received inside my package. So we received a lot of goodies in our package today. So this is the unit that we will be installing today. This one is their 18-inch 13x6 glueless unit, and this is their Peacock curls. The unit came pre-plucked, pre-styled, and ready to wear. Also, this is the first time I'm seeing the adhesive attached to the unit, and the back as well is also different. It has the sewn in adjustable band, so it keeps your wig in place. So I definitely feel like we're gonna get a snatched up look. Not only that, but it also has the removable band in there as well. So this should be a fun install. It's their Peacock curls. It's giving us some super soft, bouncy curls. This is the unit. Super soft. The density on this one is really high. Like, it is really soft, and it's giving us a really nice feel already. This is it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install our unit. So the lace is already pre-cut for us. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to the unit. Again, this will be a glueless install. It has the adhesive on the side. It should be easy to wear as a glueless unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace, to my wig cap, and then we put our wig. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is it. It's giving us a really pretty luxury vibes. I love the way it turned out. It's super cute. And again, the unit came pre-styled, pre-cut, ready to wear. This is the final look. I love how it turned out. The curls are giving us a really nice bouncy vibes. This is it. Again, this unit is from Ashimary here, and this is their 13x6 18-inch Glueless Peacock curly unit. And this is how it turned out. Like, this is it straight out the box. I love how it turned out. It is super cute. It's given us a really natural look at the hairlines, and also the finish just looked like luxury. Super gorgeous unit, giving us a really luxury vibes. This is it. If you want to get this unit, I will be leaving the link down below, so go ahead and click the link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Ashimary here, their website is down below as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more tutorials, and I'll see you guys in another video.